We are on a cruise on the Carnival Dream. We are in room 7233, which is a suite. Just wanted to kind of show you around real quick. Just give you a sense. Normally we take off on just a regular room, which is fine. But now that their kids are getting bigger, it's getting a little smaller. So this room is actually fantastic. Lots of room and exactly what we need. Let's do a little tour here. Walk right in the bathroom. We got plenty of space in the closets. Shut that real quick. Sorry, it's already a mess. So we have one closet here right when you walk in to the left. We have a little vanity with plenty of space down here, someplace for me to put my makeup on if I wear makeup. And then the bathroom we just love. We have a double vanity, which is great. Which side's which? And it's me. Hi, how are you doing? We have the toilet, of course, and then we have a tub. There is a tub in here. And it's jetted. I can't wait to use it, and neither can the wife. It's going to be fantastic. Come on out here. Hey, it's me again. All right, this is kind of the overlay of the room. You can see it. We just have a king bed in this one. We have a couch that will fold out. We have, again, plenty of space for all kinds of stuff. It's just amazing. We have space here. We have space here. We have your refrigerator. You get your free water, a couple of free waters, wine glasses. Then over here you have another closet, same, plenty of space. So I can put my stuff in one closet, she can put her stuff in another closet. More space here. You have your small TV, of course, but couldn't expect something that big. You have your safe. What else? Let's come around this way. You have a little sitting area here. Little table so you can watch TV if you want. And of course at night, grab a glass of wine, come on out to your deck. We're taking off from Galveston today, so we have a couple of boats right behind us. It's like the Jubilee and one of the Royal Caribbean ships. The deck is actually pretty big. It's got 2 chairs, and it's got the lounger, which is kind of actually a little bit awkward, but I wish they just put 4 chairs out here and a couple of tables, but it's really fantastic. So this is kind of the room from this area. It's got this giant mirror, so it makes it look even bigger. But plenty of space for the 4 of us, and actually the kids are staying in another room across the hallway. So we have really a lot of space, but just thought I'd show you again. This is room 7233 on the Carnival Dream, and we're gonna have a great time. See ya.